Thank you for selecting Ciarra products. We will be pleased to serve you. Please make sure to read the instruction before using it. Unpack the product. Horizontally draw a straight line according to the installation height specified in the instruction manual with a leveling instrument. Take out the accessories required for installation from package. Take the hanging plate and place it on the horizontal straight line marked. The center of the circular mounting hole of the hanging plate coincides with the straight line, and draw 3 circular positioning holes. Drill 3 holes in the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Fix the hanging plate on the wall with screws. Take out the complete machine and hang on the hanging plate. Dismantle the filters, mark the positioning holes on both sides of the inner rear plate with pencil, and remove the complete machine. Drill 2 holes at the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Hang up the machine again. Fix the machine on the wall from the inside with screws. Install the filter. Use a tape measure and a pencil to draw the center point on the top of the hanging plate. Use a leveling instrument to draw a vertical line along the center point. According to the height of chimneys, use a leveling instrument to mark the positions of 2 support brackets. Horizontally draw 2 straight lines from the marked positions with a leveling instrument. Take the support brackets and place them on the horizontal straight lines. Mark the oblong holes on the support brackets of the chimney with pencil. Drill 4 holes in the center of the oblong holes. Drive the expansion rubber plugs into the holes. Fix the support brackets on the wall with screws. Insert the air duct into the air outlet. Place the chimney on the top of hood. Hang it on the support bracket by 2 sides. Lift the air duct and the upper chimney, and lock both sides of the upper chimney with screws. Turn on all buttons one by one. And observe whether they are normal. If there is no abnormalities, the installation is completed. Thanks for watching.